Okay, now we are in the kitchen cooking.
We're going live in a few minutes, I think.
No, we're not.
We're not
but
going
we're
live.
cooking. We're cooking.
I'm cooking, he's watching for the first time.
He's
I don't-
teaching me how to cook. How about that?
I'm teaching him how to cook pasta. It is a very difficult. Please allow me to share. You put water in a pan, little bit of salt, put the pasta in it,
Pinch
and
of
let
salt.
it cook. Let it cook for
11 minutes.
11 minutes. But the trick is to watch it, because when you watch it, it cooks.
Let's go and watch it. This is the pan. Pot, actually, that's not pot. Pan. That's
It's
pot.
a pot. It's a pot.
Very good. And
And here
What's
is
in
the
there?
pasta.
all right, sounds good. You're going to taste it?
What time is it? 4 more minutes?
4 more minutes. Cooking pasta, Italian style. Italian style. What do we have here?
We have gravy. Gravy is when the meat is in the sauce. Sauce is when there's no meat. Not many people realize I have a lot of talent, and I don't demonstrate it all the time. My mother used to say that I have many talents, but the master of none. And I think that means I did a great job with everything. I think. Master of none.
Must have none.
I'm still trying to figure it out.
You'll go ahead and figure it out.
Click here to subscribe to our English Finally channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Tomorrow, I'll buy another one.
All right, so Joe, what do you have?
We made pasta with homemade sauce, turned it into gravy by adding meat. We have peppers, cucumbers, and of course, I cooked it. Not this time, not Max.
Okay.
I was afraid I was going to be poisoned, and I now made lunch for both of us. Can we eat now,
Let's go.
or do you want to stand here and
Lovely. Let's-
watch it get cold?
No, go.
Thank you. Watch out for my wire. We don't have beer. Do we have beer?
We don't.
I can't believe we don't have beer.
It's fantastic setting.
It's beautiful. It's romantic. Don't get any ideas. In Italy,
What did he say?
it's just like Italian food.
Italian food? Enjoy.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito. Joe, I finished. I'm done. What the hell are you waiting for? Why does it take so long?
Next. The Italians eat slowly, enjoy the conversation, enjoy the view, enjoy the drink. No drinks,
No drink.
because he couldn't remember to buy it. So, I'm just relaxing. I'm chewing good.
Today, Joe cooks. I have to admit, his cooking is almost as good as mine. Almost. Close.
People, when I return home to the Philippines, I will tell you the rest of the story. I have a lot of information.
Alright, we're going to shut this down.